Let's talk why cleansing isn't about how much your cleanser foams. It's about chemistry. When we talk about effective cleansing, it's easy to focus only on regular foaming cleanser. But Cedar of the Forest is a cleansing balm. And that's where the difference lies. Sunscreen, sebum, and pollution are all oil-based films. Water alone doesn't remove them well, especially water-resistant sunscreen. Now, balms rely on a structured lipid matrix, oils and butters. This structure holds the formula together until it meets your skin. When a balm touches warm skin, it softens and melts gradually, allowing the lipids from the balm to loosen and bind the sunscreen, makeup, and any dust or pollution that you have on your skin. And therefore, this helps dissolve the buildup on your skin. Because this process is slow and cushioned by butters and oils, it reduces friction while massaging on your skin, which helps maintain the skin barrier. Once the surface of this film, this buildup, is dissolved, gentle emulsifiers come into play. Upon contact with water, they allow the entire lipid impurity complex to rinse away. Let's have a look. And this doesn't leave your skin feeling stripped off. Now that's the difference between dissolving the buildup in a barrier supportive way versus the foaming cleansers that prioritize a squeaky clean feel over barrier comfort. Choose wisely.